Hi guys, so I wanted to show you how you can deploy your HTML file to Vercel. So now if Claude generated a landing page or website for you, it actually gave you a HTML file. And I actually made a tutorial on how to generate that previously, so you can go check that out if you haven't. But today I'm showing you how to turn that file into a live website that anybody can actually visit. So I'll be using this HTML file to demonstrate this tutorial. So I'm going to have the HTML file we're working with selected. Then I would come down here and click on new folder. Rename this folder. You could call it anything, but I'm just going to give it the name of the website, which is Focus Flow, because I want to put that file into this folder. I'll have this file selected and copy it, then open up our folder and then paste the file into this folder and rename the folder to index.html. This is very, very important. So whatever file you're working with, you have to rename it to index.html. So on your keyboard, you're going to press Command with the space bar. Once this search bar shows up, you type terminal into the search bar, then you select this. You're going to copy this, open up your terminal again and paste it. Once you paste it, you hit the enter or return key on your keyboard and you allow it to run. So you're going to have something like this, and you're just going to type CD and then hit the space bar. Then come back here and drag this file into our terminal. So once you drag it into the terminal, you hit return or enter key on your keyboard. So if you've already signed up on Vercel previously, you do not need to put in Vercel logout. But I'm adding Vercel logout so I can show you the complete steps to signing up with Vercel and its connection with your terminal. So now that I've successfully logged out, I'm going to paste Vercel and then hit the enter key. So once I do that, you're going to see that it automatically leads us to this particular site. Then you can authorize it. So in my case, it went straight to authorization successful because I had already created an account before. So don't worry if yours looks slightly different from mine. If you are new, just sign up and hit allow, and it will just say authorization successful. Then come back to your terminal and continue. So once you're back to your terminal, you're going to see series of questions pop up one after the other, but you do not have to worry about any of them. Just keep pressing the enter or return key on your keyboard for all the questions you're seeing. You keep pressing enter until you see deployed to production. That's how you know your website is now live on the internet. You're going to go to your Vercel dashboard in your browser. I'm gonna refresh this. You see the particular project there, which is the Focus Flow site. You click on it, and now you can find your live URL at the top of the website, which is this. And that's the link you can actually share with anyone and they'll be able to see your website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video.